EunWoo has arrived in Malaysia for his Skechers meet and greet tomorrow. Hi Lovelies, Minnie here. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, like and share this video, and hit that notification bell. Let's begin. On his way to Malaysia from Indonesia, he flew first class. You would think that since it's first class, he would have his needed privacy. But no, someone uploaded photos of him inside the airplane. Here are EunWoo's photos, but I'm blurring them out. In fairness though, I think the OP just took photos but did not approach EunWoo. Lovelies, what are your thoughts on this matter? Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.